This will be a speed test between the Asus ROG Phone versus the Galaxy Note 9. Now they both have the Snapdragon 845 and they both have 8 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on the boot up. You guys are the judges. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both, as you can see. So let's get started with the phone app. ROG Phone. Messages. ROG again. Camera. Ooh, so close. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Samsung Internet. Search for GSM Arena. Go. Very similar performance, maybe a little bit faster on the ROG. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Looking at the progress bar, a little bit faster on the Asus. Pinch to zoom, nice and fast on the Note. Some weird pop-up there, I think. But on the ROG phone, super smooth because of its 9Hz display. Leave it on that page. Calculator. You guys are the judges. Play Store. A little bit faster on the left. Click on an app. Click on these two. Leave it on that page. Amazon Shopping. Call that one a draw. Deal of the day. We'll leave it there. eBay. A little bit faster on the left. Click on this Adidas tee. Leave it there. Super Mario Run. Give this to the ROG. Tap to begin. But the Note 9 a little bit faster running the game. We'll leave it there. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. Looks like the ROG is ahead. And give this to the Asus. Tap to play. We'll leave it there. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. ROG Phone's ahead. Will the Note 9 catch up? No, it does not. And give this to the ROG Phone. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9. Legends. ROG Phone, a little bit faster. Tap to play. Leave it there. PUBG. ROG Phone ahead. Will the Note 9 catch up? Looking at the progress bar. Let's see. And give this to the ROG. Get rid of all this. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both are neck and neck. Maybe the Asus is ahead by a little bit. We'll find out right now. And give this to the ROG Phone. Twitter. ROG. Instagram. ROG again. Snapchat. Note 9. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now, both of these phones have a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. So let's see what happens right now. In terms of RAM management, Instagram, good to go. Twitter, San Andreas, good to go. PUBG, ready to play. Asphalt 9, good to go. Angry Birds 2, ready to play. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Mario Run, good to go on both. eBay, same place, a little bit faster on the ROG. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place. Calculator, still still there. The browsers, ready to go on both. Clock, still running the stopwatch. Camera, you guys are the judges. Messages, a little bit faster on the left. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this one. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking the Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, or the Note 8 from last year? These phones coming with excellent specs, perhaps the best screen, fantastic dual firing speakers. Or do you have the new ROG phone from Asus, this one coming in with a 3 GHz Snapdragon 845, a whopping 8 GB of RAM, an excellent OLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling, etc., and excellent front-firing speakers? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.